All right, the drink we're about to make is called Chocolate Sailor. Come on, hop aboard. Let's put some ice in a glass, and we're going to measure out 1 ounce of dark creme de cocoa. And follow that up with a ½ ounce of gin. And if you'd like, you can give the first 2 ingredients a shake. We've got one more. That'll get those 2 mixed together. Pour it in your glass. And we're going to top it off with cola. Now, for the dark creme de cocoa and the gin, we're just doing 2 parts of the dark creme de cocoa to 1 part of gin. So you can add more or less than what I did. It's totally up to you. All right. We'll give that a stir just to get the cola mixed in with everything else. Add a straw, and you have a chocolate sailor. Bottoms up.